Hi guys! So now, just here to update that I'm in my reading year and I'm currently reading this one. And this is The Crossfire by Mike Bond. I'm reading this for like gabi. Then I'm in the chapter 6 on page 39.
Yes, I!
Makacus makabayat!
Very good!
Mana? Cute.
Thank you, Lord.
Ikut
Di balo.
Bandung kumi.
Mandung.
Hi guys!
Hai guys, nakautang baboy.
Ngayon, ini mga baboy. Wala mo kay baboy.
Inastindahan.
Natadan.
Bye guys! Thank you sa'yo.
Makacus makabayat.
So you know, I've been using this for like a month or two. And hindi siya nag-tarnish. Time check, it's 7:04 and 7:30 I need to go. Malamas na yun. Lifetime. See? Told you. You consider doing that. See that? It's a lifetime.
Sa Marjorie. No? So, kaya para tira ako na lang makuha. Ang katapusan na koleksyon, pagulin ng timba.
May bangs.
Lakat na kami mo. So, mula ninaakan at baka binibig siya. Abot sa iya.
Hey friends! Hi guys! So today is May 25, 2026 and today here diri sa probinsya, syempre may mga fiesta of mga patron and today is the fiesta of San Isidro Labrador and has to celebrate that we go to our chapel because we are IFI, Iglesia Filipina Independiente or the Aglipayan. We go to our church, KKB na lang, we bring food. Each household will bring food to chapel and that's what we gonna eat. Pagsasaluhan namin lahat yon and all of us are gonna eat there and sama-sama. So I don't think I will supposed to vlog but earlier you see na we go to procession here from hindi na ako nakapag-vlog it ng full because I'm shy. This is my first time to vlog here. So yeah, we'll see later if I'm gonna be supposed to video all. Okay? So, for now, mag-get ready lang ako for later because it's already 7 I think. Yeah, so, I'm using this lang from Avon, the Feeling Fresh and Papaya because this is one, my stretch mark, I don't know what it's called in my underarm, but I have it kasi noon it's so itchy and nang ano ko siya ni-rub ko siya talaga ng then nag-red na siya. Then pagkatapos niya ng redness, nag-black na siya talaga na parang ang itim na talaga ng aking underarm here and but here is not. So isa talaga to sa nakapagpalighten ng aking underarm. Isa siya sa nakapagpalighten ng aking underarm. The papaya. Then, I supposed to buy the tawas lang. And it's okay din naman. Okay na siya. It's the same. But this is more, smells good. Then, I'm gonna use this, Lux Organic Niacinamide, the 3 times glowing vitamin C, then the Hydronic Bright that has vitamin E. This is not sponsored, but link below if you want to try this also. Nakapagpalighten din to siya sa akin. I'm not gonna use some foundation because dito lang naman. Then I'm gonna use this one, the Olay Natural Aura. It says 24 because 24 pesos siya dito sa amin. And comment nyo nga if how much is this sa inyo. Yeah, because I'm gonna go late. I'm gonna get ready. And this is only 24 pesos. Pero kung makatipid ako na para bang libo-libo talaga po ito. Did you know that in 7 months, 6 months, this is my first time vlogging again. So we'll see. I'm a little bit shy, but that's fine. Wala tayong magagawa kapag shy tayo. tayo ang matatalo, guys. See my comb. So cute. This is Mickey Mouse. See this, guys. Well, konti pa to. Hindi pa dito. Hindi pa to yung lahat ng hair na lost sa akin. Every wash ko ng hair. Kaya hindi ako nag-wash ng hair madalas. Because yun, you recommend some shampoo na pampatagal hair loss and balakuba. Yeah, dandruff. Literally dandruff.
Anak ko, maka-Diyos. Palit. Bayan.
Gano'n matanos, no?
Kami na kayo at tulad.
Malanag. Malanag, ganun. Unsa
Kilig mo.
Gagawin mo ta.